Writing a personal check might seem traditional, yet it remains an important skill for effectively managing your finances. Let's go over the essential elements that make up a paper check. At the top left, you'll find the payer's name and address. This identifies whose account the money is coming from. The top right shows the check number and an empty date field. Make sure to fill in the current date, or you could post-date it to limit when it can be processed. In the center, write the recipient's name. This is the person or business you're paying. Make sure it's legible to prevent any potential issues when it's cashed. In the small box on the right, write the amount in numerals. Always include the dollar sign and cents, even if the amount is a round number. Below the numerals, write the dollar amount out in words. This helps confirm the intended payment and prevents any tampering. Don't forget to sign the check at the bottom right. Your signature needs to match the one on your bank account. The memo line is optional, but it can be useful for noting what the check is for. You can write something like rent payment or gift for Sarah. Before you hand over your check, double-check it for any errors. Make sure the amounts match, the payee's name is correct, and your signature clearly written in the designated area. Remember to use a blue or black pen, as these are less likely to smear or be tampered with. Writing a personal check may take a little practice, but becoming comfortable with it can help you manage your finances with greater confidence.